the question. If there are no calculations, you have the usual 10 seconds. Best wishes to all schools. First set of questions, 30 seconds. The rate law for a reaction between reactants A and B is given by R is equal to K multiplying the concentration of A squared multiplying the concentration of B cubed. What is the equilibrium constant? Yes, go ahead.
Mole to the power -4 dm to the power 12 second to the power -1.
Again?
Mole to the power -4 dm to the power 12 second.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay, so I continue reading. What is the equilibrium constant and its units for a reaction in which the concentration of A is equal to the concentration of B, and this is equal to 0.200 mole per decimeter cubed, and has a rate of 2.00 times 10 raised to the power -4 mole per decimeter cubed second? Yes, Elliot.
6.25 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0 mole to the power -4 dm to the power 12 second to the power -1.
Repeat.
6.25 by 10 raised to an exponent of 0.
That's incorrect. You rang? Yes, Isaac.
So the value is 6.25 times 10 raised to an exponent of -1. And then the unit is mole to the power -4, dm to the power 12, second to the power -1.
You are right. Next one. The chimney of an industrial plant produces 22% carbon monoxide, 64% sulfur trioxide, and 14% ozone. Determine the mass of 1 mole of the gas mixture. Yes, David.
So it is 135 grams.
That's incorrect. Who else rang? Yes, Excel.
64 grams.
You're right. Next one. When rubidium carbonate is heated, 3.74 grams of its oxide is formed. Determine the mass of the carbonate heated. Atomic mass for rubidium is 85.5. Yes, David.
4.62 grams.
You're right. set 10 seconds each. Why do some fruits and vegetables turn brown when they are cut? Yes, which of you? Go ahead.
So this is because these fruits and vegetables, when cut, are exposed to the atmosphere and they are oxidized. That is, they have sugars present in them that are oxidized, thus changing their color from white to brown. And this accounts for the change in color of the cut surface of the fruits and vegetables.
I'm not accepting it. Okay. So when fruits and vegetables are cut, the part containing the oxygen reactive enzyme is exposed, leading to browning, also known as enzymatic browning. This occurs when the enzymes, example, polyphenol oxidase, catechol oxidase, they come into contact with oxygen in the air. Okay, so there's an oxidation reaction that produces dark-colored compounds like melanin. When exposed, the enzymes from the cut surface interact with oxygen in the air. All right, next one. The rib cage is composed of bones and other materials. How is the rib cage flexible in spite of the significant presence of stiff bones? Oh. All right, so the true ribs of the rib cage are attached to the sternum by cartilage, which creates partially movable joints. Also, false ribs and floating ribs are attached by cartilage to true ribs or to muscles in the abdominal wall, and these allow the rib cage to be flexible to move as a person breathes. Next one. What is the effect of dehydration on the kidneys' function and the resultant appearance of the urine produced? Hey. When the body is dehydrated, the kidneys retain more water and release less water into the urine. This causes the urine to appear darker and more concentrated than normal. I'm sure you are familiar with this. Yeah. See, you could have answered this one. But our contestants, they are strategizing. So they didn't want to attempt it. All right. Next set, 30 seconds each. First one. If the equation y is equal to a multiplied by b raised to the power x is reduced to linear form, v is equal to mu plus c, where m, c are constants, and v and u are variables, find v. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Aslam.
V is equal to x log b plus log a, where x is equal to m.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay, so I continue. Find V, U, M, and C. Yes, Isaac?
So V is equal to log y. M is equal to x. U is equal to log B, and then C is equal to log A.
That's incorrect. You also rang.
V is equal to log Y. M is equal to log B. X is equal to U. And C is equal to log A.
You are right. You switch them around. Next one. If f of x is equal to ax cubed plus 2x squared plus bx minus 4 is divisible by the expression x plus 1, this expression squared, find the values of a and b. Yes, Excel.
A is equal to 3 and B is equal to -1.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Isaac.
So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to -5.
You are right. Find the Cartesian equation in X. In X and Y from the equations. X is equal to 6 multiplying tangent of t, and Y is equal to 8 multiplying secant of t. Yes, Excel.
A fraction with numerator x squared and denominator 36 plus 1 is equal to a fraction with numerator y squared and denominator 64.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. First one, 10 seconds. The SI system of units has been redefined in terms of exact values of defining physical constants. What is the exact value of the speed of light in vacuum? Yes, David.
Okay, so it is 299,792,458 meters per second.
You are right. I'll give you 30 seconds. All right. So give the threshold photon energy in electron volts for the electron-positron pair production. The right answer is 1.022 mega electron volts. Last question of the round. In a Compton effect experiment, X-rays are scattered off nearly free electrons. Find the Compton shift for a scattering angle of pi. Yes, Precious.
4.86 picometers.
Yes. And that's the end of the round.